Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your edge look fuller without using an extension. Recently, I've been having massive breakage and I noticed that my edge kind of look thinner than it used to be. And you know how it looks when you make a ponytail without a full edge, as it's not really giving at all. I know you understand. One of the cause of this hair loss is because of too much manipulation. Yeah, I've been manipulating my hair a lot recently. I know this hands in the hair syndrome is not really good for our hair. I'll be sharing this tiny secrets with you guys. It really helped me a lot. Whenever I make my ponytail, even with my thin edge, it still come out really great. So keep watching and enjoy the video. I have a dictated video on the proper way you can pack your ponytail. So if you've not seen that video, do wait to check it out. I'll be leaving the link to that video in the description. With this country's current situation, I think we should learn how to do some minor things by ourselves in order to save costs, because the economic situation of this country is something else. The worst part is this is just the beginning, as in the thing just the start, it never even start. And it's like this, as the rate of hunger is alarming. So we should, instead of waiting on the, should I say, the politicians or to the government to do what we know that they are never going to do, I think we should just look for a way to help ourselves out. Yes, if you go into the Western world, you see a lot of people out there do things by themselves. We know that the cost of all these things here are not really that expensive, but as of now, I think it's really on the high side. Some people cannot even afford 3 square meal a day, the place of making their hair. So I think if there's anything you can do by yourself, no matter how little, just do it and save that money for something else. God will see us through. I started out by putting my hair in a ponytail. Yeah, I did a mid ponytail. So it does not matter, even if you want it high, low, mid, anyhow, you still achieve great results. I'd love to use this opportunity to thank my lovely subscribers, my viewers, my G's. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are really amazing. God will bless and provide for each and every one of you. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, or you've been watching without subscribing, what are you waiting for now? Do wait to hit the subscribe button right now. Yes, punch it. Join the family, okay? Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. See guys, we just started. We'll have a lot to learn. And don't forget to tell me whatever you think in the comment section, okay? If there's any way you would love us to improve, if there's anything you want us to show more on this channel, please do wait to comment in the comment section. I will know what to do about that. So guys, here's the trick. We'll be using our mascara to fill that thin air. You know how you use your mascara to make your lashes look, should I say, so full? Yes, that's what we're going to do with our hair here. Now, when you're brushing it, don't allow it touch your scalp. You are only trying to brush the hair, as in apply the mascara on the hair, so that the thing will appear fuller. That's our goal. We are not trying to paint our scalp, no. Just brush it lightly on the hair. So try not to touch it on your scalp. We want this to look as natural as possible. Even though we are faking it, yeah, we know we are faking it, but it should also look so natural. And don't worry, it won't clean unless you wash it. Yes. The only thing I would advise is for you to use a good mascara. This particular mascara I'm using is quite affordable. So if you don't have a good mascara like this one, even when I lay on my pillow, as it didn't even stain my pillow without any bonnet or hairnet. Okay, so get a good mascara. After this, you just apply a little gel on it and brush it to smooth it out. If you're the type that love styling your edges, you can still go ahead and do that. Okay, I hope this little trick will be helpful to you as it is to me. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you on my next video. Ciao.